Right, this is my studio.
Wow. Look at all that.
Actually, I'm actually looking for a bigger space, but
Look at all
I
that.
can just manage this. It's a
Amazing.
lot. I know it's a lot. I know it's a lot.
Wow, this is a massive camera, man. Which one is
Yeah,
this one?
that's the Lumix S1. Actually,
Okay.
that's the first Panasonic full frame mirrorless camera. Sorry. So
This is mirrorless?
it's mirrorless. It's quite big, I know,
Wow, that's amazing.
and
This is
heavy as
big.
well. You know, I migrated from Canon 5D Mark III to
Okay.
today's. Actually, I had a Mark 4, but I used that for like a month. Then I had to return it to get the mirrorless.
Wow, there's so much equipment in here.
Yeah. So much. I don't know. It's too, you know.
Well, I'm sure everything
It's
has its use.
Yeah. This is my gimbal. It's a DJI gimbal Ronin S.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my machine. That's very good. I use it for weddings and my tour.
So wait, this is a gimbal for camera
For
or?
cameras.
Oh, okay, okay.
For cameras. Yeah.
And is it motorized?
It's motorized. Yeah, actually, it's motorized. It's got its, yeah, it's the sand. Very. This is a machine. I love it. Not so heavy. And just
Wow,
cool.
that's amazing. And this obviously, without being told, this is the light.
Yeah. Right. See this. I just got this light actually. It's an Aputure. I call it Aputure. Anyways, Aputure, something like that. So it's 300D Mark II, and this the Aputure light umbrella as well.
There's another light behind that one. What's the
The
difference?
support lights. So these are the floodlights. These are just the. I use this light. I've got a pair of these actually.
Okay.
I use them to get rid of the shadows when I'm doing a recording. So
Okay.
it's a studio light as well. So
Okay.
this massive, this very big light. I love it.
So I can see you've got a sofa here.
Yeah, well, so far I sleep here. At times when editing, I just sleep here overnight when the work is too much, and
Oh really?
at times I just sleep here overnight. Then I just play. It's a bit. I need a space actually. I need a space. This is part of my home, but I need a space. I need to get a warehouse or somewhere to make a studio. But
This is a really nice place to be, because you've got
very
all
small. Yeah, it's very small though.
you got all your equipment here. You got another Mac here,
Yeah, that's my MacBook. I carry that on when I travel. So
and you've got your.
and I take the MacBook to the bedroom whenever I want to sleep and continue my
Your
editing,
work.
My work, yeah.
Okay, but I'm guessing this is what you use for your main editing.
Yes, that's my main machine here.
Okay.
My main machine. So yeah.
Wow, that's interesting to see. That's interesting to see.
This is for my voiceover.
Okay.
Right, my voiceover machine. I've got a lot. In fact, I've got I do movies as well.
Well, apart from you do photography as well. Apart from
Yeah, I do
videography
as well. Well, actually started with photography, so I have passion for motion pictures. So I do more of filming.
Okay.
And I do right now my YouTube. I've started my YouTube channel. I've started doing touring all over the country. What I want to do now is just to tour the world, like going to various countries, showing the tourism, the luxury lifestyles, and all over the world, and how the holiday is all over the world.
So are you able to achieve that on your own? Do you have other equipment to help with that?
Well, when I travel, I usually don't take holders because it's too. Except I'm going with a crew.
Okay.
So I just take my GoPro 8.
Okay.
And I've got a GoPro 8 and I've got a GoPro 7 as well. So I just take them handy with me. And what else do I take? My Gorilla Pods. I've got 2 Gorilla Pods. I've got this one. This is a small one. And I've got a big one. This is a massive one. second one. Then everything is just here and there. So
What about
I've got a small camera as well that I take with me. This Canon mirrorless as well. It's really nice. So I take it as well with me whenever I travel. Just
what about drones? Do you have a drone?
I've actually I fly drones. You know.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. I started using drone when I started doing music videos.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah. This is my drone.
Oh, let's have a look
I've
at the
got,
drone.
A DJI Mavic 2 Pro.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
On my videos on YouTube, I think I've flown it like a couple of times on my
Oh, that's it.
drone. See, I've got 4 packs, you know.
So what are these ones here? Are they the batteries?
The batteries, yeah. This drone actually comes with just one battery, but as a drone pilot, you cannot fly with one battery. You have to have a couple of more batteries. So I have 3 more batteries. I got
Wow, that's interesting.
Yes.
That's interesting.
Cool. Then,
So it's a one-man crew, really?
yeah, at times if I need a helping hand, I call my colleagues, my friends who are into the same industry. I do movies as well. I've got boom poles there in the store. I've got, you know, everything, boom mics, you know, boom mic shield, everything. I've got them in the store. So I've got a full set.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got a full set of you know, a lot of things. You can see other computers here because
Yes, I do.
We're working on a particular project, so I've got 2 of my friends coming here to work with me as well. So
Alright, so you got all your
I've got
guys
peanuts.
come
I've
around.
got peanuts as well.
So the guys come around and they work here, and then
Peanuts, you know, just
you guys enjoy yourself with some snacks and.
snacks, biscuits, you know.
I see. But see, that's the thing. Not many people know the amount of work that goes into a production.
Man,
You know.
it's really it's big, to be honest. But I'm fine. I mean, it's fun. I'm finding it interesting and
Yeah, obviously, it looks like fun. You know.
it's interesting. Yeah, it's
Wow. Yeah, this is good. Well done.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to tell you, keep watching my YouTube channel and subscribe. Please share my channel, share my videos to families and friends, and you know, just help your boy. You know.
What's the name of the channel?
It's Ty Tom Jones. Ty Tom Jones. TAI then Tom Jones. That's the name of my channel, and that's my name, by the way. So please share, subscribe, and like my videos. Thank you.